Ekster TravelPack Vacuum Kit. So what is it exactly? Well, it's basically a set of reusable vacuum compression travel bags, plus a handy little USB-C rechargeable air pump. You use it to suck the air out of your clothes so they take up way less space in your luggage. Sounds pretty cool, right? The company claims you can get up to 60% more space in your carry-on, keep your clothes waterproof and odor-proof, and it fits almost any bag. No more checked luggage stress. Now, let's break down why this product seems legit. First off, it's sold on Amazon. That's already a good sign because Amazon usually has certain quality standards and policies that sellers need to meet. It gives us a bit of confidence that this isn't some random knockoff. Second, it's been featured in big media outlets like Forbes, Mashable, and Men's Health. I even dug up the Forbes article about it. Being recognized by well-known publications like that makes it feel more trustworthy. People are noticing it, which usually means it works for a lot of travelers. Now, here's the part I love. The Ekster TravelPack Vacuum Kit is actually really handy. You can fit up to 60% more in your carry-on by compressing your clothes. The bags are waterproof, made from durable anti-rip nylon, and they help keep your clothes clean, odor-free, and wrinkle-free. The little air pump is rechargeable with USB-C, so packing is fast and easy. And if you want, you can even use a regular vacuum to compress the bags. But of course, let's talk about what real users are saying. On Amazon, it has a 3.9-star rating, and most reviews seem genuine. A lot of people love the bags for being durable and high quality. They handle multiple items, even heavy coats and sweaters. Many found the wireless vacuum pump super convenient and efficient. Users also mention the strong seams, heavy-duty zippers, and waterproof material, which makes these bags great for protecting delicate or valuable clothes. On the flip side, some users reported issues with the vacuum seal not holding or minimal compression, even with the pump. A few found the bags tricky to use, especially the zippers, and wished the instructions were clearer. So, while many people loved it, results can sometimes vary depending on how you use it. So, what's the takeaway? Overall, the Ekster TravelPack Vacuum Kit is a well-designed, durable, and space-saving travel solution. It's been recognized by reputable media, and most users find it useful and reliable. But just remember, a few people did have some trouble with compression or operation, so results may vary a little. If you're a traveler who values convenience and space-saving, this could be a really smart addition to your packing routine. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and travel gadgets. See you next time.